Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get public mods in Gorilla Tag. First, understand that these modifications are not official and carry risks. Using them might lead to your account being banned, so proceed with caution. It's crucial to back up your game data before you start, ensuring you can revert any changes if needed. This step protects your progress and game integrity. To begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a personal computer and a USB-C cable to link your VR headset. Next, download a reliable mod manager specifically created for Gorilla Tag. There are several options available, so choose one with good reviews. Finally, confirm that your game is updated to its most recent version for compatibility. Now, let's install the mods. Connect your VR headset to your PC using the USB-C cable. Once connected, open your chosen mod manager. Within the manager, browse and select the public mods you wish to use. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to inject these modifications directly into your Gorilla Tag game files. After installation, launch Gorilla Tag to verify that your new mods are working as expected. If you encounter any problems, such as crashes or unexpected behavior, try reinstalling the mods. Sometimes, a full game reinstallation might be necessary. Remember, modding can be tricky, so patience is key. Also, for those interested in improving their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.